Well, a few moments ago, Ronnie sang a song written by a fella called Dominic Bean. I'm going to sing a song to finish the first half, written by a brother of Dominic Bean, a man called Brendan Bean. Now, this man spent a lot of his young life in various types of prison, borstals, correctional institutions. That's what they call them over there. I don't know why. They don't do a very good job, apparently. But anyway, to wake you up in the morning in prison, so I'm told, or so this song tells me anyway, they wake you up by hitting a triangular piece of metal. And he wrote a song about it called The Old Triangle. Now a hungry feeling came o'er me stealing. All the mice were squealing in my prison cell, and the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. The lags were sleeping, Humpy Gussie was peeping, as I lay there weeping for my gal Sal. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. To begin the morning, the screw was bawling, "Get up, ya bowsy, and clean up yourself." And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. Up in the female prison, there are 75 women, and among them I wish I did dwell. Then the old triangle could go jingle jangle all along the banks of the Royal Canal. All along the banks of the Royal Canal.